Hi, boys and girls. So today you are going to be subtracting 3-digit number minus a 2-digit number. You are going to check your answer on your place value chart to see if you did it correctly. And you remember, you have to exchange 1 10 for a 10 ones when you need to. So the first one, they drew 156 for you. So here's 156. Now you have to take away 2 1s, so cross out 2 1s, and then take away 4 10s, cross out 4 10s. Don't forget to label your place value chart. Remember over here, if you unbundle the 10 here, then you better be unbundling a 10 here, which means you are borrowing 1 from the 10 and adding the 10 to the 1s. Just type in your answer here, and don't forget to type in the difference up here. And the second one is 150 minus 36, so they drew 150 for you. Now I want you to take away 6 1s. Oh, you don't have 6 1s, so what do you need to do? And don't forget, if you are unbundling a 10 here, you need to unbundle a 10 here. So use that pencil tool, cross out your 5, make it a 4, and this becomes a 10. And then type in your answer and get it here. Remember, your algorithm needs to match your place value chart. Have a good day. Bye.